Welcome to SAT-X. Simplifying radical expressions. Today we are going to solve several math. But look, here number 12, which is 2 root 5 by minus 4 plus root 8 will be solved next part. Others, it means number 4 to 11 we will solve by this video. Let's start. Root 20. This one we can write like root 4 times 5, then root 4 times root 5. How? We know root AB, we can write root A times root B. So root 4 means 2 and this one is root 5. This is our answer. Next one, root 2 times root 8. This one we can write like root 2 times this root 8 we can write 4 times 2. That means root 2 times root 2 times root 4. So this root 2 and this root 2 will become 2 times root 4 means 2. So our answer is 2 times 2 is a 4. This is our answer. Next one. Here is 3 root 10 times 4 root 10. So this 3 and 4, once we multiply, it will become 12. Root 10 times root 10, that means root 10 square, or we know root A times root A equals to root A square, or direct we can write A. So 12 times root 10 square, it means only 10. Then 12 times 10 is a 120. This is our answer. Next question. Root 54 a square b square. So this one we can simplify like root 54 times root a square times root b square. This root 54 also we can write 9 times 6 square root. Then root a square, it means a, root b square means b. Now this root 9 times root 6, and here is ab. Now look, this one we can write root 9, it means 3, right? And this AB we can write here, and root 6. This is our answer. Very simple way we are trying to solve this one. Next, root 60 times x to the power 5 y to the power 6. So this one also we can factorize like 60. What can we do? We can find out that numbers which is perfect square also including in here, like 4 times 15 is a 60, where 4 is a perfect square. But if you try to find out the value like 6 times 10, it will make more complex. So this one we can write 4 times 15 square root, then square root x to the power 5 times square root y to the power 6. Now this one, what can we do? Root 4 means 2, right? And then here is x to the power, here is also root 15. And then what next? This x to the power 5, we can write x to the power 4 times x, just to segregate this one. Root y to the power 6, it means y cube, right? So now we can simplify this one. Here is a 2, here is x to the power 4, it means x square. Then here is x and here is a root 15. So including this one we can write root 15x, then y cube. If you want, you can more synchronize, like 2 x square y cube root 15x. This is our answer. Next one, 4 divided root 6, but in denominator we will not keep any root, so we can write like 4 times root 6, and also here is a root 6 times root 6. That means this fraction we are multiplying by root 6. Now look, 4 root 6 and root 6 times root 6 will be 6, and this is our answer. If you want, you can more simplify this one, like you can divide denominator and numerator by 2. So 2, and once you divide 6 by 2, here is 3. So our answer is 2 root 6 by 3. This is our answer. Next one, here is a root 3 by 10. So this is on also similar thing. We can write like root 3 divide root 10, right? But our target, we will not keep any root in denominator, so we are multiplying this fraction by root 10. So root 3 times root 10 divide root 10 times root 10. Now look, this root 10 times root 10 become 10, and here is root 3 times root 10, it will be root 30. This is our answer. Next one, here is 8 divide 3 minus root 2. So till our target, we will not keep any root in denominator. Therefore, we are multiplying this fraction by 3 plus root 2. It means 8 times 3 plus root 2 divide 3 minus root 2 times 3 plus root 2. Now it's looking a square minus b square. It means a plus b times a minus b. So we can write like 8 times 3 plus root 2, and this one is 3 square minus root 2 square. Now look, here is 8 times 3 plus root 2, and here is 3 square means 9, and root 2 square means 2. So our answer will be 8 times 3 plus root 2 divide 9 minus 2 is a 7. This is our answer. So no more today. We are trying to solve several math. We already informed this number 12. We will solve next part. Till then, try to keep practice at home. By this channel, you will learn lots of things based on algebra. So please subscribe my channel, which is SADX, and share with your friends, with family. Thank you.